Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring the watch has enough power and is on its charger. This prevents interruptions during the erase. Next, verify whether you still have the paired iPhone or access to your Apple ID, because the method you choose depends on that. If you have the iPhone, you'll use settings on the watch or the watch app. If not, you'll use iCloud, Calm, or Find My. Once ready, proceed with the path that matches your available device and credentials. If you have the watch in hand and can unlock it, go to Settings, General, Reset, then erase all content in Settings, confirm with your passcode and Apple ID when prompted. If you have the paired iPhone, open the watch app My Watch, General, Reset, then erase Apple Watch content in Settings. This also removes the activation lock when you keep your Apple ID signed in. If the watch is offline and you only have iCloud access, sign into iCloud. Once the erase completes, you'll either set the watch up as new or restore from a backup using the watch app on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen pairing and restore steps. Make sure activation lock is removed by signing out of your Apple ID if required, because without it the watch won't activate. If the erase fails or the device is unresponsive, force restart the watch and try again, or reboot the paired iPhone. If problems persist, sign into iCloud to erase remotely or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.